Today, even though if it is rain or misty or whatever, I'm going to explore the Edralin Falls. The entrance fee was 60 pesos. Lucky enough, they got open. Right now, we are going to enjoy the Edralin Falls. Looks so beautiful, but unluckily it's now raining and misty. There's so much of water there. Look at that. Even though it's rain, the water is so clear. Look. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. I don't know how much is going to come up because it's raining. That scenery view is fantastic. Wobble a little bit. Wow. Look at that. Look at down. How is it? Beautiful. Fantastic. Only drawback is now it's raining. That's the only drawback. The rest everything is beautiful. Let's go check it out. I don't know which way to go. I think go this way. Wow. Look at that. Seriously. Still need to go up. Wow. Look at that. Wow. That's the situation. Wow. Look at it. Good job today. So far it's a good job. Nice. Beautiful. All the risk I took, fantastic. Look. Beautiful. Fantastic. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you.
waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Let's go check it out. Let's go to the level 2. Came this far. We don't go to the level 2. It's a problem. Let's check it out. Need to be careful. Very slippery. Yeah. See? It is like this. Can you see that? It's like that. Beautiful, but cannot access. No access. So there is no access. Let's go back down. You need to be very careful. It's all very slippery. Wow. All very slippery. Very scary also. Look at that. Very slippery. Look at the situation. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Really nice place. 100% worth. Only 60 paisa entrance fee. So imagine that. Really cool place. I highly recommend for everyone. Look at that. Beautiful. There's a waterfall. From here, you cannot see. You need to go there, then you can enjoy the waterfalls over there. Fantastic place. I highly recommend it. 360 view. My God. Beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to move from here. Early morning, the climate sucks big time. But right now, the climate is very good. Seriously. I need to find a place to stay nearby over here. Probably tomorrow, I go somewhere else like a rice terrace area on the other side. So, I'm really happy today. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon. Thank you. Bye.